Hey, what's up everyone? Most people starting on YouTube think AdSense is the finish line, the big prize. But what if I told you that relying only on AdSense is actually one of the worst ways to make money as a creator? It's like trying to fill a swimming pool with a teaspoon. Today, we're going to break down and rank every single way YouTubers make money. We're talking about everything from the methods that barely cover your coffee habit to the strategies that build full-scale, multi-million-dollar business empires. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you are on this ladder, but more importantly, you'll have a clear roadmap of what it takes to level up to the next stage. Forget the myths, forget the gurus telling you to just post more. We're diving deep into the real business of being a creator. This isn't just about getting more views. It's about turning those views into a sustainable, profitable, and maybe even life-changing career. So, let's get into it and see what it really takes to build a YouTube empire. Alright, let's kick things off at the bottom of the pyramid with Tier D. I call this tier the illusion of income. This is where you find things like YouTube Shorts bonuses, a little bit of revenue from YouTube Premium viewers, and those super thanks or super chats you might get during a live stream. Now, don't get me wrong, getting a $5 super thanks feels amazing. It's direct validation from your audience, but let's be real, you can't build a business on it. These income streams are unpredictable, they're tiny, and most importantly, they don't scale. You can't strategically decide to get more shorts bonuses next month. It's a nice little surprise, but it's not a business plan. Moving up just a notch, we have Tier C, which I like to call the freelance zone. This is probably the most common stage for creators who are starting to see some real traction. The king of Tier C is, of course, Google AdSense. This is the first time you see substantial money hitting your bank account from YouTube, and it feels incredible. Alongside AdSense, you might have channel memberships, where dedicated fans pay a small monthly fee, and maybe some small, one-off affiliate deals for products you mention. Here's the truth about Tier C. You can absolutely make a living here. You can pay your rent, cover your bills, and maybe even quit your day job, but it's a grind. Your income is directly tied to your views, which means you're a slave to the algorithm. Have a bad month with views, your income plummets. It's a constant content treadmill that leads to burnout, and fast. If this is your only strategy, you don't have a business. You have a high-stress, freelance job with a very demanding boss, the YouTube algorithm. This brings us to Tier B, and this is where everything changes. I call this the breakthrough level, because this is where creators finally stop being just YouTubers and start becoming business owners. The fundamental shift in Tier B is leverage. Instead of working harder and chasing more views, you start working smarter by building systems that generate income independent of your view count. So, what does this look like? First, you graduate from random affiliate links to strategic affiliate partnerships. You find products and services that perfectly solve your audience's problems, and you promote them consistently. Maybe you're a fitness creator who partners with a supplement company, or a productivity creator who becomes a top affiliate for a software like Notion. This creates a reliable income stream every single month. The next massive step is building your own audience platform, specifically an email list. When someone subscribes to your email list, you are no longer dependent on YouTube to reach them. You own that relationship. You can provide value directly to their inbox, build trust, and eventually sell your own products or services without relying on an algorithm to show them your content. This is the single most powerful asset a creator can build. With a direct line to your audience, you can now start offering high-value services. This could be one-on-one consulting or coaching, where people pay a premium for your personal time and expertise. Or you could host small, paid workshops or boot camps, teaching a group of people a specific skill. You're no longer just making pennies per view. You're earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars per customer. This is where you break free from the algorithm's control and start building real, predictable wealth. And by the way, stick around, because at the end of this video, I am going to pull back the curtain and show you the exact creator stack of revenue streams that I used to go from being totally dependent on AdSense to building a six-figure business. You won't want to miss that blueprint. Now we're entering the big leagues. Welcome to Tier A, the scaling stage. This is where you take the foundation you built in Tier B and you multiply its impact. The hallmark of Tier A is moving from one-to-one or one-to-few models to one-to-many. The two most powerful drivers here are strategic brand sponsorships and your own digital products. Brand sponsorships in Tier A aren't just one-off shout-outs. We're talking long-term partnerships with brands that are a perfect fit for your audience. These are 6-month or year-long deals worth 5 or even 6 figures. Because you've built a dedicated audience and an email list, you can offer brands an integrated package, a YouTube video, a mention in your newsletter, some social media posts, making you far more valuable than a creator who can only offer views. But the real game changer is creating and selling your own digital courses or high-ticket programs. Instead of coaching one person for $500, you create a comprehensive video course that teaches your unique method, and you sell it to thousands of people for $500 each. The math on that is staggering. You do the work once, and the asset continues to generate revenue for years. This is true leverage. You're no longer trading your time for money. You're monetizing your knowledge at scale. And that brings us to the absolute pinnacle, the final boss of creator monetization. Tier S. The S stands for stack. This isn't just about having one successful income stream. It's about creating a synergistic ecosystem where 3, 4, or even 5 revenue streams work together, each one feeding and amplifying the others. This is how the top creators in the world are hitting $100,000 a month or more. Let me paint you a picture of the stack in action. It starts with your YouTube videos. Your videos attract new viewers and serve as the top of your funnel. In those videos, you promote a free lead magnet like a guide or a checklist to get people onto your email list. Now you own the traffic. Over the next few weeks, your email sequence builds a deep relationship with that audience, providing immense value. Then, you pitch them your signature digital course from Tier A. A percentage of your list buys your course, generating significant revenue. Because your channel is now seen as a premium authority in its niche, high-level brands approach you for Tier A sponsorships, paying you top dollar to reach your high-quality audience. Your influence and income grow, which allows you to invest back into making even better videos, which attracts an even larger audience. And the entire cycle starts over, bigger and faster than before. Your videos grow your list sells your offer, and your authority attracts sponsors. That, my friends, is the stack. It's a self-perpetuating engine for growth and income. It's how you go from being a YouTuber to building a sellable media business, an empire. So let's bring this all together. As promised, here is the exact creator stack that I personally used. I started in Tier C, grinding away for AdSense revenue. It was exhausting. The shift happened when I focused on my first Tier B strategy, building an email list. I created a simple, free guide related to my content and offered it in every video. Once my list hit 1,000 subscribers, I introduced my first Tier element, a pilot version of a digital course. I sold it to a small group from my list, got feedback, and refined it. The revenue from that first launch gave me the confidence to go all in. My stack now looks like this. My YouTube videos, the top of the funnel, drive people to my email list. My email list promotes my main digital course, my core offer, and smaller affiliate products, secondary income. And because I've established this ecosystem, I now attract high-ticket, long-term brand sponsors who want access to my dedicated audience. See how they all work together. The biggest mistake I see creators make is trying to do everything at once. Don't do that. And please, don't waste years chasing AdSense pennies in Tier C, hoping that one viral video will change everything. It won't. Your path forward is clear. Pick one method from Tier B, just one. Whether it's starting an email list, diving deep into affiliate marketing, or offering one-on-one coaching, choose one and master it. Make it your mission for the next 90 days. Once that's generating consistent income, stack a tier and method on top of it. Before you know it, you'll have built a powerful, resilient financial engine. Your YouTube channel will transform from a demanding hobby into a real, thriving business. You'll have freedom, impact, and the income to match. The opportunity to build a creator empire has never been bigger than it is right now. It's time to think bigger. If you're ready to stop playing small and start building your legacy, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.